Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the puzzle Oscar in Russia generally. This is very interesting puzzle. If you want to solve, just pause the video and try to find out the time, then try to see the video guys. Then you can clearly understand. But I'm suggesting every person how to try first. The question is there is no numbers where there is a number 12 we don't know, and all the hands are of same size. All the are of same size. All the hands are of same size. This happens like a person Mr. Venice went to a museum. He find the timepiece. He find the timepiece. It may be working or not, we don't know. But all the three hands are of same size and same length. And we don't know where the number 12. It already rotates somewhere. So we don't know where is 12, where is 1, where is 2. But we have to find out the time. To solve this question, whatever I do is, I will mark the numbers. I will mark PQR, three hands with the three names, just for easy understanding. Just for easy understanding, PQR will considered as three hands. Try to solve the question, guys. Observe here, the hand P and R are perfectly aligned with the dial's main markers. Dial's main markers, that is like exactly at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, like that. So because of this, I can easily say Q will be the hour hand. Why? Because if all time is 12 o'clock, for example, time is 12 o'clock, three hands will be in the same place. Three hands will be in the same place, but it is not happened in the figure. And if the time is 2 o'clock, time is 2 o'clock, our hand will be at the place of 2, and the remaining minute hand and seconds hand should be together at the place of 12. Seconds hand and minutes hand should be together at the place of 12. Then only time will be 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. You can observe both the minute hand and second hand are together, but it is not happened here. That means time is not exactly a whole number. Hour is not exactly. Time is not exactly 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So definitely these two are not with our hands. Q will be the our hand. So this is fixed. Now let us see guys. We have to think about minute hand and second hand. Our hand is fixed, that is a Q. Now P and R also exactly point out the major points. Exactly points the major one. The minute hand must be an integer, that we know. Out of these two, any one will be the minute hand. Then minute should be either 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 or 25 or 30 minutes, like that only. So it will be a whole number. That means seconds hand should be at the place of 12. Second hand should be at the place of 12. Then only we can say time is like 4:20 or 5:10 or 3:15, like that. So second hand should be at the place of 12. So definitely out of these two, one will be at 12 and that should be the second hand. Now let us consider these two cases guys. First one is P should be the second hand or R should be the second hand. Now we have to consider these two. Now I consider case 1. P is the second hand. So P must be at the place of 12. Then I will write all the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 11. Now R is the minute hand. So what will be the time guys? If you observe clearly, then answer will be easy. If R is 10 minutes past than hour, that means time should be 6:10, because our hand is in between 6 and 7. Time should be 6:10. But if you observe, Q is near to 7. Near to 7. That means time should be more than 6:30. More than 6:30. But according to the figure, time represents 6:10. That means we can say it is false. It cannot become true. It cannot be true. Because time is 6:10. The positions of the hands is not like this. So we can clearly say case 1 is wrong. Case 1 is wrong. Case 1 is definitely wrong. Now let's move to the another one. That is case 2. That is R should be the second hand. Now we will write R should be the second hand. If you write R is a seconds hand, so P must be a minute hand. P must be a minute hand. P must be a minute hand. Then try to observe the time, guys. Now in between P, Q, R. Q is in between the two hands of 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. That means time should be 450 because minutes and P represent 10. Minutes and P represent 10. That means time should be 4 hours 15 minutes. Yes, this is possible. There is no error. Time is near to 5. Near to 5. This is possible. Then we can clearly say time is 4 hours 15 minutes. Time is 4 hours 15 minutes 0 seconds because R is a second hand at the place of 12. That means 0 seconds. 0 seconds. Okay, now guys. I hope it is clear for all. Thank you for watching the video, guys.